3 general expression for the least square polynomial.
بس دكتور بعد في دقيقة بنلحق.
في دقيقة then you will reconnect after. Okay.
بس بفتكر خلصت المدة إنه حتصير 3:30.
بس تأخرنا شوي يعني. اوكي so نرجع بنفوت بنكمل 10 دقايق بنوقف. اوكي
اوكي.
so لأنه like we lost a lot of time يعني. Okay, so now for a polynomial of any order, if we use polynomial p of x, so a0 plus a1x plus a2x squared plus an xn. So if we want, of course, the order of polynomial must be inferior to the number of point minus 1. Okay, this is okay. So we want to find, okay, a0 and till an such as the sum from I equals 1 till n of yi minus p of xi is minimum. Okay, so the same procedure as we did for the line, we will find. So we'll have to derive ds over daj, with j going from 1 till n. So we'll have n equations here, where small n is the number, the order of the polynomial. Okay, so it's the same approach that we did for the least square line. So if we apply, we follow the same procedure, we will find this matrix. So we find n, the sum of I equals 1 till n xi, the sum of I equals 1 till n xi squared, etc. The sum of I equals 1 till n xn, the sum of I equals 1 till n. This is for this first line. For the second line, xi, the sum of I equals 1 till n xi squared. Here it would be xi cubed. Okay. I equals 1 till n x n plus
1.
Okay. As for the last line here, we will get is the sum here xin
n.
I equals 1. Okay, so you will get n plus 1. Okay, the size of this matrix will be n plus 1 because you have n plus 1 parameter for a polynomial order n. Okay. And here you will have I equals 1 till n x to n. Okay.
Mhm.
And here you will have A0 till AN. Okay. And as for the column here, معلش لسه خلينا نكتب بلاط الورقة. Sum of I equals 1 till n yi.
Mhm.
Sum of I equals 1 till n xi yi, etc. Sum I equals 1 till n xi n yi.
Y.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is, I mean, for the system of equation. As for the matrix, you can see that, okay, so this is basically the sum from I till n x I, okay, here power 0, xi power 1 till xi power n, this is xi, so,
Mhm.
okay. And here you start from 1 till n plus 1, and here you start from n till 2n, okay?
2n or 2n plus 1?
2n.
2n. Okay.
Yes, it's 2n.
Hmm.
Okay. And I mean, you can, yeah, it's 2n. You can verify for the line. Here we had xi square. So,
صح صح.
and here yi, so xi power 0 yi till xi power n yi.